Think retirement is decades away? What if I told you the best time to start building your retirement wealth is right now, in your 20s? Stick around, and I'll show you the most powerful strategies to retire rich while still living your best life today. Number 1. Why start in your 20s? Why should you worry about retirement in your 20s? 2 words. Compound interest. Here's the deal. Starting early gives your money more time to grow. Let me break it down with an example. If you invest $200 a month starting at 25 and earn an average 8% annual return, you'll have around $700,000 by the time you're 65. But if you wait until 35, you'll only have about $300,000, even if you invest the same amount monthly. Time is your best friend when it comes to investing. Starting now means you can contribute less and still retire comfortably. Number 2. The best retirement accounts for your 20s. So, where do you put your money? Here are the best retirement accounts to get started with. 1. 401k. If your job offers one, many employers match your contributions. This is free money. Example: if you contribute $100, your employer might add $100. That's an instant 100% return. 2. Roth IRA. You invest after tax money, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Perfect for your 20s when you're likely in a lower tax bracket. 3. HSA, Health Savings Account. Triple tax benefits, contributions, growth, and withdrawals, for healthcare expenses, are tax-free. Start with your employer's 401k, especially if they offer a match. Then open a Roth IRA for even more tax-free growth. Number 3. Investment strategies for retirement in your 20s. Now that you know where to invest, let's talk about how to invest. These are the strategies that work best when you're young. 1. Focus on growth. In your 20s, you can take more risks since you have decades to recover from market dips. Invest in index funds or ETFs that track the S&P 500 for steady, long-term growth. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different industries and asset types. Look into a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe even REITs for real estate exposure. 3. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions so you never miss a month. Platforms like Acorns or Betterment make this easy and stress-free. Number 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Even in your 20s, mistakes can cost you in the long run. Here are the big ones to avoid. 1. Not taking advantage of employer matches. If your company offers a 401k match and you're not using it, you're leaving free money on the table. 2. Trying to time the market. Focus on consistency, not jumping in and out of the market. 3. Keeping money in a savings account. Inflation eats away at your savings over time. Put your money to work through investments. Number 5. How to balance retirement and enjoying your 20s. Here's the thing. Investing for retirement doesn't mean giving up on fun in your 20s. You can do both. 1. Set a budget. Allocate a percentage of your income to investing, e.g., 15%, and use the rest for bills, fun, and experiences. 2. Celebrate small wins. Each time you hit a milestone, like saving your first $1,000, treat yourself. 3. Remember your why. You're building a secure future for yourself while still enjoying today. Starting your retirement journey in your 20s might feel early, but it's the best gift you can give your future self. With time, consistency, and smart investments, you can build the life of your dreams. Challenge for you. Set up a 401k or Roth IRA today, even if it's just $50 a month. Future you will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your biggest goal for retirement? Let's inspire each other to take action.